हाय देयर अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई एम बिलाल इनोवेशन वाला और आज हम हमारा टास्क है टेडेक्स टॉक। तो हम टेडेक्स टॉक स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओके देन द टॉपिक इज रिदा शाह। Rita Shah begins by explaining that every person dreams about a better tomorrow, but many people remain stuck in the past. Fear, self-doubt, regrets, and negative experience often stops individuals from moving forward. According to her, people sometimes become so comfortable with sadness or failure that they stop believing change is possible. She emphasizes that a new tomorrow does not appear to automatically a better future is created for positive thinking, better decisions, continuous learning, courage, and personal and personal responsibility. A major theme of the talk is mindset. Rida explains that people can't control everything that happens in life, but they can control how they respond to challenge. Difficult experience should not destroy hope. Instead, they should become lessons that help grow that people grow stronger. She also discuss the importance of self belief. Many individuals underestimate themselves because of criticism, comparisons, or fear or failure. Rida encourage people to stop waiting for approval from other and start trusting their own abilities. Another people point is in the talk is since she argues that growth only happens when people step outside their comfort zones. While change can fit uncomfortable and uncertain is it is uncertainty for progress and self-discovery. The speaker highlights how even small actions can create meaningful impact. Our time, a single positive habit, decision or mindset shift can gradually transform a person's futures. She believes people often ignore the power of small daily empowerments. Rida also talks about the rule of compassion and community. A better tomorrow is not only about personal success, it is also about helping others, spreading kindness, and contributing positively to society. Thoughtful the talk, she encourages young people to dream big, remain hopeful, to learn from failure, keep improving themselves, and never stop moving forward. For toward the end, Rida delivers a hopeful message that every new day offers another opportunities to begin again. No matter how difficult the past has been, people always have the ability to create a different future through the determination and positive action. Main message of the talk, the central message is a better future begins with the choices and mindset we develop today. Rida Shah encouraged people to embrace hope, to embrace hope, growth, and positivity and positive change in order to create a new tomorrow. Important themes: hope and positivity, personal growth, self-belief, overcoming fear, change and transformation, responsibility, learning from failure, building a better future. Key lessons: the future is shaped by today's action. Fear and doubt should not control life. Small positive change can create a big result. Growth requires courage and adaptability. Failure can become a learning opportunity. Hope is necessary for progress. Overall meaning, the talk is a motivational reminder that every person has the power to rebuild their future through hope, determination, and constance in our efforts, individuals can move beyond limitations and create a brighter tomorrow for themselves and others. अल्लाह हाफिज़ गाइस, देयर इज मैन टॉक इज एंड। अब वापस अब हम आपसे अगली टॉक में मिलेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।